everybody? Welcome back to Transformation T. I'm T. I have a good workout for you today, working your biceps and your back. Without further ado, let's jump right into the workout because no one likes long intros. Okay? Alrighty. As always, I'm starting by doing a little bit of a warm-up, taking a resistance band and pulling it behind my head, really warming up those triceps, those biceps, that chest. Bring it in front of you and then do these mini pulses. Really, it's about doing a warm-up that feels right to you. Like, this feels like enough to me, but if this doesn't feel like enough to you, throw in other stretches. You know. And then I'm just gonna step on the resistance band and start pulling it up to my chest, working my shoulders. Alright, so first move is on the lat pull down machine. So you're going to bring your arms more than shoulder width apart. Every time I come down, I am squeezing my shoulder blades together, really highlighting my back. You want to get the bar as low as you can. Keep pushing through to that last rep. And then we're going right into the lat pull downs behind the shoulders. Because I have a little bit of a problem with mobility in my shoulders, I have to bring my head down. And then same thing, you want to keep squeezing your back as you come down. So the next move is on this pull back machine, don't know the name. So what I'm doing is keeping my elbows close to my side and pulling straight back. Again, you'll see results in your back when you activate your back. So when you come back, you want to activate and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Right here, squeeze. And you want to try not to use your whole upper body to pull. Really try to use only your arms here. Alright, so next move, the classic bicep curl. Now, the proper form for a bicep curl is your elbows tucked to your side and you pulling straight up. Be careful not to use your whole upper body. Like this. I've seen people do that and like, yes, you're working your biceps, but not really. So alright, now this one's gonna burn. So you saw how I turned my arms out to my sides? Same form, except you're hitting a different angle of your biceps. These kill me. Oh my gosh, look at my face. I'm dying. Keep breathing. You got it. Boom. Good job. Go down to a lower weight if you have to. You're gonna bring your arms to a 90-degree angle and you're simply bringing the weights out and in. These are gonna really hurt. Real quick, bring the weights out to the side and you're going to simply do the same thing but to the side. Out and in. Look at how bad I'm struggling. This hurts so bad, you guys. Alrighty, so the last move is really targeting that low back. Pretty self-explanatory. All you're gonna do is step up and bend at the hips like I'm doing here, straight back, chin up, smiling for those gains, you know. If you want to make it more challenging or if the first one was a bit too easy for you, go ahead and grab a dumbbell or a kettlebell or a weighted plate and do the exact same thing, holding the weight close to your chest, really targeting that back because a nice six-pack starts with a balanced core and the back is a part of that. So get your life together and get that back right, okay? That's all I got for you guys this time. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!